Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Miley Stewart's outfit on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. Removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments, which is just the hair. For the hair, I used this in 956849 and 5C402D. Position the Y to 0.45, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.44. Grab this hair in 5C402D, position the Y 0.52, Z 0.48, rotate the Z to 0.49. For the outfit, it's actually pretty simple. You're going to grab this top in this pattern, and then this top in that pattern as well. Grab this tank top and color it like kind of this pink, but a little bit darker actually. Like maybe this CF7E99. Grab these jeans, turn off the flower, and color it this green color 94A084 for both. Grab this necklace in this brown color, and lastly we're going to grab these boots. I'm not going to change the color, I'm just going to change the color of the laces a little bit here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.